First things first, appreciate your support, guys. So this is a front load washing machine that was vibrating and moving around. So if you can see clearly, transit bolts were not removed. If you don't remove the transit bolts, what happens is this drum is always suspended. So if the drum is moving around, it will bang on the transit bolts. The transit bolts hold the drum tight during transportation. So you have to remove them when installing, and then you level the machine and it won't vibrate. Failure to do that, the machine will move around, will make a lot of noise when it's on the spin cycle. In fact, when you put it on the highest revolution, let's say like 1200, this one maximum is 1200. So you put it on 1200, the machine will move around and it will scare you. So always remove the transit bolts.